Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted posts on Instagram in a few easy steps. This is a very useful feature that Instagram introduced recently, and it can help you restore your photos and videos that you accidentally deleted or regret deleting. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile page. Then, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen and select Your Activity from the menu. Next, tap on Recently Deleted. Here, you will see a list of all the posts that you deleted in the last 30 days. You can also filter them by photos, videos, reels, IGTV, or stories. Now, to recover a deleted post, simply tap on it and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. You will see two options, Restore and Delete. Tap on Restore and you will see a confirmation message. Tap on Restore again and your post will be back on your profile. That's it. You have successfully recovered your deleted post on Instagram. You can do this for any post that you deleted in the last 30 days, as long as it is not expired. For example, stories will expire after 24 hours and reels will expire after 30 days. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.